Introducing the 2014 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback still has less than 25,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.